With the iPhone 13 officially out in the market, the rumors buzzing around the much-anticipated AirPods 3 have been predominantly on the rise. With a history of amazing products, the hype generated over the AirPods 3 is fairly obvious and well-placed. In today's video, we'll talk about this anticipation, people's expectations, and the leaks we have gathered while scourging the internet. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. According to What Hi-Fi, the Apple AirPods 3 are set to launch this year, right before the end of 2021. Now, when you observe the Apple events closely, there are certain things which happen almost every occasion. One of the more prominent happenings on these events are the launch of supporting products which highlights the main product. For instance, the iPhone 12 launch also introduced the HomePod Mini. This wasn't the case for the iPhone 13 launch event, as people were expecting the reveal of AirPods 3, which did not happen. Now, considering how Apple held another event a month prior to the iPhone 12 launch where they revealed new iPads and watch models, and another event in November for new Mac models, it shows they don't mind holding multiple events in a year. This year in April, Apple launched their first event where they showcased the iPad Pro and Apple TV, which was followed by the iPhone 13 launch event in September. Considering how they didn't reveal the AirPods 3 on any of these events, there's a high possibility of a reveal of the AirPods 3 on their end-year event, where they'll showcase the new MacBooks. Ming-Chi Kuo, a revered informer who has a reputation of predicting fairly accurate Apple releases, released a memo last year which hinted how the release might happen in the first half of 2021, which would have been 2 years after the launch of the second-gen AirPods. Just to note and emphasize his prediction capabilities, he accurately predicted the launch of the AirPods Pro back in 2019. Also, considering how Apple just upgraded its music streaming service, we don't see how there would be a better time to introduce a new pair of earbuds. Now let's talk about the pricing. It's expected to cost less than the AirPods Pro, which currently is being sold at $249. We can also take into notion how with the release of iPhone 12, Apple was shifting rapidly to wireless tech, which is why we can expect the AirPods 3 to have a wireless charging case. Now let's talk about its designs. There have been leaked images of AirPods 3 all over the internet. The most reliable and trustworthy among all of them are the images provided by Leaks Apple Pro and Gizmo China. As you can see in the picture, one of the main differences which makes it stand out from other Apple products is the smaller stem size. It might feature silicone ear tips and will most definitely have touch control. When the AirPods Pro were released, there were often suggestions from the community on how smaller stems would make the pair less conspicuous and more comfortable to wear. Similar to the AirPods Pro, they might be going with the force sensors. But considering how people complained about the feature being a bit too complicated and overall fiddly to use, the release of AirPods 3 might be Apple's shot at fixing that. Now, from the images, we also get an idea about the case. It looks comparatively more curvy, resembling the original AirPods case. According to What Hi-Fi, there's a possibility of introducing a brand new Apple chip, which is supposed to introduce a plethora of new features. The features might include upgrading the device, which would result in faster device switching, lower latency, improved Bluetooth, and hands-free connectivity. It would also make sense if Apple went for a stronger water resistance capability. The AirPods Pro had an IPX4 water resistant rating, which was higher than the previous versions. It's fair to assume that they will have at least IPX4 water resistance in their new model. ANC is the reason why people buy AirPods Pro, which makes it obvious for the AirPods 3 to indulge in it. Now to wrap it up, what could be the name of the soon-to-be-announced AirPods? AirPods 3, AirPods Lite, AirPods Next? Who knows? The possibilities are endless. Are you excited for the new AirPods? Are you willing to upgrade? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment box below. And as always, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to see more videos like this on your feed.